In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bcc Field to Outlook emails. Bcc stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it lets you send an email to additional recipients without revealing their addresses to everyone else. It's great for protecting privacy, reducing reply all storms, and keeping your main conversation focused. You can follow along in the new or classic Outlook for Windows, or Outlook on the web. First, open a new message, or reply to or forward an existing email. This gets you into the Compose window, where you can add the Bcc field. To show the Bcc field, look along the top ribbon for the Options tab. In the section labeled Show Fields, click Bcc. The Bcc line will appear beneath to NCC in your message. If you're on Outlook on the web, you'll also see a Bcc option right in the Compose area. If it isn't immediately visible, look for more options in the message toolbar. Once Bcc is visible, it stays there for this message. Now, enter the recipients you want to Bcc. Type their addresses into the new Bcc field, just like you would in To or CC, separate multiple addresses with a semicolon if needed. People on the Bcc line receive the email, but their addresses are hidden from everyone else, including other Bcc recipients. Anyone you put in To or CC will not see who was Bcc'd. Also note, if someone uses Reply All, their reply will go to the visible recipients, not the hidden Bcc list. Compose your email as you normally would. Add a clear subject, write your message, and attach any files you need. When everything looks good, click Send. That sends the message to everyone in To, CC, and Bcc according to how you addressed it. If you want Bcc to show up every time so you don't have to turn it on for each email, you can make it permanent in Settings. Click the gear icon to open Settings, then choose View All Outlook Settings. In the left panel, go to Email, then select Compose and Reply. Look for the option labeled Always Show Bcc, check the box, and then click Save. From now on, the Bcc field will appear by default whenever you compose a message. If you change your mind later, come back to the same place and uncheck it. That's it. Thanks for watching.